beach. Got Fonz with me. Come on, fat man. Boy, having fun, boy. You know what I got on? Black Forces. Ozzy. A lot of people this morning. It's a lot of people for a Wednesday. Huh. I'm fat ass. Fat. Okay, look at it. All right, come on. Trying to make friends and shit. You weren't supposed to be friendly, bro. Trying to be all friendly and shit, man. Come on. Kiss, man. You ain't supposed to be friendly. Come on. Nigga having fun, boy. At this beach. Fuck it, I'm gonna use it. Here go the Jamaicans. Everybody know about the Jamaicans. They be trying to pass their little CDs out. All type of shit. I'm gonna let Fonz off the leash on their ass. PP Ma. Go get him, go get him, go. Oh, boy. Come on. Hey, I told you. They see a nigga with Fonz, he ain't get. They like, whoa. This a nice little Wednesday. What? That's crazy. My goodness. Oh, fat man. Fonz got a nigga out the beach. I feel good. I got my shirt off. I'm with Fonzie. We chilling, man. How fat? Big chilling.